Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is whole wheat chocolate cake or healthy whole wheat cake. Cakes are undoubtedly everyone's favorite, and today's recipe is exceptional chocolate cake as we'll be making this with wheat flour. This whole wheat chocolate cake is a healthier take on the classic pound cake. It's the perfect tea cake and it's healthy. Before we move on, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do like, comment and share. So let's get started. The ingredients are also given in the description box. We will need 4 eggs, 1 cup oil, 1 cup of brown sugar. You can also use powdered jaggery, 1 cup of wheat flour, half cup cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of baking soda, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Take a bowl and a strainer and sift together all the dry ingredients, that is cocoa powder, wheat flour, baking powder and baking soda. Now sift this well. This helps in mixing the ingredients well, so don't skip this step. Now set this aside. To a large bowl, add 4 eggs and with the help of an electric beater, whisk the eggs till they turn frothy. Now add in the brown sugar. You can also use powdered jaggery. And vanilla extract. Now whisk this again. Keep whisking till the mixture becomes light and creamy. This is the consistency. Once you get this consistency, you can stop whisking. Now add in the dry ingredients in small batches. I'm using a spatula here. Fold them in the eggs and sugar mixture. Now lastly add in the oil and whisk on low speed till everything is well combined. Scrape the batter from the sides and mix everything well. We'll need a non-stick vessel, a baking paper or parchment paper, Grease it with some oil. And place the baking paper or parchment paper like this. Now gently pour in the cake batter. Make sure it's evenly spread. Now tap this once or twice like this. Place a plate-like thing on the flame before placing the vessel. Now cover it with a lid. The flame should be low. This method usually takes 20 to 25 minutes for the cake to bake. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's check. Looks like our cake is done. Let me check by inserting a skewer. If it comes out clean, this means our cake is done. Now place a plate like this and just flip it. You can see it's perfectly baked. Now let's cool this completely. Now slowly remove the paper. As I was in a hurry, I had to remove the paper while it was hot, but you can take your own time for it to cool down. Just look at the texture of this cake. It looks so perfect. This delightful cake is super moist, light and spongy. And it's the perfect companion for your evening tea. Every time I make this, it just disappears in no time. And trust me, it's more tastier and healthier than the usual chocolate cake. I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. You need to give this recipe a try as it's made with the goodness of whole wheat and it's super moist, fluffy and so delicious. And keep coming back to my channel for more interesting recipes. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you for all the love and support.